Okay, my dear students, good morning. Today we will solve question from Sangam Mathematics, Book 8, page 197 from Geometry. The topic is lines and angles, exercise 5.1a. Let's start from group A. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Write the relation of the angles angle AOD and angle BOC. Angle AOD, this angle, and angle BOC. Angle AOD and angle BOC. Option A, angle AOD equal to angle BOC. AOD, this angle, angle BOC, this angle. So these are vertically opposite angle. On the vertical AOD upside, BOC downside. So opposite. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So option A, angle AOD equal to angle BOC. This is the correct answer because they are vertically opposite angles. Now number 2, the sum of two complementary angles is dot dot dot. The sum of two complementary angles is 90 degree. So option B is the correct answer. Now number 3, the sum of two supplementary angles is, in supplementary angles the sum is 180 degree. So option D, 180 degree. This is the correct answer. Now number 4, what is the complementary angle of 65 degree? Complementary angle of 65 degree, that is 90 degree minus 65, that is 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 6, 25 degree. So complementary angle of 65 degree is 25 degree. So option C, 25 degree. This is the correct answer. Now question number 5, find the value of x of the column side figure. In this figure, we have to find value of x. X and 34 are supplementary angles, so their sum is 180 degree. So we can write x plus 34 equal to 180 degree supplementary angles, or x equal to 180 degree minus 34 degree. Therefore, x equal to 10 minus 4, 6, and 7 minus 3, 4, 1 minus nothing, so 1. 146 degrees. So option B, 146 degree is the correct answer. Okay, students, now page 198, group B, answer the following question. Question number 1, find the value of x from the following figures. Now your solution. Here for A, here on this line there are two angles, x and 45 degree. Now x plus 45 degree equal to 180 degree. Being linear pair or supplementary angles, we can write anyone. Being linear pair, or we can write being supplementary angles, or x equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree. Therefore x equal to 135 degree. So the value of x is 135 degree. Now for B, on B we have the figure 70 degree and x degree on the x line. This is 70 degree and another angle is x. Now we can write x plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. We can write being linear pair or being supplementary angles. Being linear pair. Therefore, x equal to 180 minus 70. It becomes 110 degree. So the value of x is 110 degree. Now for C, let's see here. First angle 3x, second x. This angle 3x and that angle x. Now 3x plus x equal to 180 degree. Being supplementary angles are linear pair. Being supplementary angles or 3x equals to 180 degree, therefore x equals to 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree. Now for D, we have the figure 100 degree and 6x minus 40 degree. First angle 100 degree, second angle is 6x minus 40 degree. Now we can write 6x minus 40 degree plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree, because being linear pair, or 6x 100 minus 40, that is 60 degree, equal to 180 degree, or 6x equal to 180 minus 60, it becomes 120 degree. Therefore x equal to 120 divided 6, 6 to the 12, so x equal to 20 degree. So the value of x is 20 degree. Now for E, on E we have the first angle 3x plus 40 degree, second 7x minus 10 degree. First angle is 3x plus 40 degree, second angle is 7x minus 10 degree. Now we can write these angles are linear pairs, so their sum is 180 degree. So we can write 7x minus 10 degree plus 3x plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason, because being linear pair, or now adding like term 7x plus 3x, it makes 10x 40 minus 10, that is plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree, or 10x equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. Therefore x equal to 15 degree. So the value of x is 15 degree. Let's next question for yeah. For we have in the figure first angle 5x plus 9 degree. First angle is 5x plus 9 degree, and second angle is 3x plus 35 degree. Now they are also linear pairs, so their sum is 180 degree. So we can write 5x plus 9 degree plus 3x plus 35 degree equal to 180 degree, because being linear period. Or 5x plus 3x, 8x, 35 plus 9, that is 44. 8x plus 44 degree equal to 180 degree. Or 8x equal to 180 minus 44. 10 minus 4, 6. Then 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus nothing, 1. So 136 degree. Therefore, x equal to 136 divided by 8. 8 1 the 8, remaining 5, 5 6, 56. 8 7 the 56. So x equal to 17 degree. So the value of x is 17 degree. Now next for Z, we have three angles in a straight line. First 5x, second 50 degree, and third 3x plus 10 degree. Now sum of three angles is straight angle. So we can write 5x plus 3x plus 10 degree plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason being sum of parts of a straight angle, being sum of parts of a straight angle, or 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 50 plus 10, 60 degree equal to 180 degree, or 8x equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Therefore, x equal to 120 divided by 8, that is 8 1 the 8, remaining 4, 4 0 40, 8 5 the 40. So x equal to 15 degree. So the value of x is 15 degree. Now next question for whereas on the straight line there are three angles. First 2x minus 40 degree. First angle is 2x minus 40 degree. Second angle is 4x minus 6 degree. Third angle is 3x plus 10 degree. Now we can write sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. So 2x minus 40 degree plus 4x minus 6 degree plus 3x plus 10 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason because being sum of parts of a straight angle, or 2x plus 4x plus 3x, it makes 9x, then 10 minus 40 minus 6, 10 minus 6, 4, 4 minus 40 minus 36 degree equal to 180 degree, or 9x equal to 180 plus 36, that is 216 degree. Therefore, x equal to 216 divided by 9. 9 to the 18, remaining 3, 36, 36, 9, 4 the 36, 24 degree. So, the value of x is 24 degree. Now, for I, next question. For I, in the figure we have three angles. Right angle, x plus point x. One is right angle, that is 90 degree. Another x plus 4 degree. The next angle is x. Now we can write x plus 4 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason being sum of parts of a straight angle, being sum of parts of a straight angle, or x plus x 2x 90 plus 4 94, 2x plus 94 degree equal to 180 degree, or 2x equal to 180 minus 94, that is 86 degree. Therefore, x equal to 86 divided by 2, that is 43 degree. So, the value of x is 43 degree. Now, question number 2. Find the value of x, y and z from the following figures. Now, it's also here for a this is figure. Angles are x, this y, that z, that is 75 degree. Now, this solution. X plus 75 degree equal to 180 degree. On this straight line, x and 75 makes straight angle. So, x plus 75 equal to 180 degree. Its reason is being linear here. Therefore, x equal to 180 minus 75, 105 degree. Then y and 75, vertically opposite angles, so we can write y equal to 75 degree. Reason because being vertically opposite angles, again z and x are also vertically opposite angles, so we can write z equal to x because being vertically opposite angles. Therefore, z equal to value of x is 105 here, so therefore z equal to 105 degree. So x equal to 105 degree, y equal to 25 degree, and z equal to 105 degree. This is the answer. Now for B we have the figure. This angle 3x, this is z, that is 4y, and that angle is 100 degree. This is the figure. Now 2x and 100 degree, they are vertical opposite angles, so you can write 2x equal to 100 degree because being vertically opposite angles, therefore x equal to 100 divided by 2, that is 50 degree. So therefore x equal to 50 degree. Then 4y and 100, it makes straight angle, so we can write then 4y plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree, being linear pair because being linear pair, or 4y equal to 180 minus 100, it becomes 80 degree. Therefore y equal to 80 divided by 4, that is 20 degree. Again for z and 4y vertically opposite angles, so we can write z equal to 4y. Reason because being vertically opposite angles, or z equal to 4 times value of y is 20. Therefore z equal to 20 for the 80 degree. So x equal to 50 degree, y equal to 20 degree, and z equal to 80 degree. This is the answer. Now for C, the figure is on the straight line, two straight lines intersect each other. This angle is x, that is 4x, that is z, and that angle is y. Now 4x and x makes straight angle, so we can write 4x plus x equal to 180 degree, because being linear pair, or 5x equal to 180 degree, 4x plus x 5x, therefore x equal to 180 divided by 5, it is 36 degree. Then y and x are vertical opposite angles, then so you can write y equal to x, because being vertically opposite angles, therefore y equal to L of x 36, so y equal to 30 degree. Again for z and 4x again vertically opposite angles, so you can write z equal to 4x, because being vertically opposite angles, or z equal to 4 into x, value of x is 36, therefore z equal to 36 for the 144 degree. So x equal to 36 degree, y equal to 36 degree, and z equal to 144 degree. Okay, student, now question number 3a. The question is, if 7x and 8x are a pair of complementary angles, find these angles. Now it's also here. Since they are complementary angles, so their sum is 90 degrees. So you can write 7x plus 8x equal to 90 degree, because being complementary angles, or 7x plus 8x, it makes 15x equal to 90 degree, therefore x equal to 90 divided by 15, that is 6 degree. Now first angle 7x equal to 7 times 6 degree, that is 42 degree, and second angle 8x equal to 8 times 6 degree, 48 degree. Thus the required angles are 42 degree and 48 degree. This is the answer. Now 3b, the question is, if 2x plus 11 degree and 3x plus 4 degree are a pair of complementary angles, find the value of x. Now its solution here, since they are complementary, so their sum is 90 degrees. So you can write 2x plus 11 degree plus 3x plus 4 degree equal to 9 degree. Reason, because being complementary angles, or 2x plus 3x, it makes 5x plus 11 plus 4, 15 degree, 5x plus 15 degree equal to 90 degree, or 5x equal to 90 degree minus 15 degree, that is 75 degree. Therefore x equal to 75 divided by 5, that is 15 degree. So the value of x is 15 degree. Now question of pay. The question is, find the side of an angle which is 1/3 of its complement. It means the angle is equal to 1/3 of its complement. We have to find that angle. So here, let an angle be, the angle be x. Now complement angle of x. Complement angle of x equal to 9 degree minus x. Then by the equation, the angle x equal to its complement angles. How much? 1/3 of its complement angles. So x equal to 1/3 of complement angles, or 3 into x cross multiplication, 3x equal to 9 degree minus x, or 3x plus x, 4x equal to 9 degree. Therefore x equal to 90 divided by 4, 22.5 degree. So the required angle is 22.5 degree. Okay students, now for B, find the size of an angle which is 2/3 of its supplement. Solution, let the angle be x. Now its supplement angles. Now supplement angle of x equal to 180 degree minus x. Then by the equation, the angle is 2/3 of its supplement angle. So the angle x equal to 2/3 2 by 3 of supplement angle 180 minus x, or 3 into x cross multiplication, 3x equal to 2 times of 180, 360, 2 times of x minus 2x, or 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 360 degree. Therefore x equal to 360 divided by 5, 72 degree. So the required angle is 72 degree. Okay students, now question number 5. If px minus 20 degree and x plus 65 degree are a pair of supplement angles, find the angles. Now it's also here. 2x minus 20 degree plus x plus 65 degree equal to 180 degree, because being supplementary angles, or 2x plus x, 3x, 65 minus 20, that is 45 equal to 180 degree, or 3x equal to 180 minus 45, 135 degree. Therefore x equal to 135 divided by 3, that is 45 degree. Then now 2x minus 20 degree equal to 2 times of 45 degree minus 20 degree, 90 degree minus 20 degree, that is 7 degree. and second angle x plus 65 degree equal to 45 degree plus 65 degree. This equal to 110 degree. 110 degree. So the required angles are 70 degree and 110 degree. Okay, students, now question number 6. If a pair of supplementary angles are in the ratio 3:5, find these angles. So here a pair of supplementary angles are in the ratio 3:5. Let the angles be 3x and 5x. Now 3x plus 5x equal to 180 degree, because being supplementary angles, or 3x plus 5x, 8x equal to 180 degree, therefore x equal to 180 divided by 8. 8 to the 16, remaining 2, 0, 20. Okay, 8 to the 16, remaining 4, 8 5 the 40. So x equal to 22.5 degree. Then first angle 3x equal to 3 times of 22.5 degree, that is 67.5 degree, and 5x equal to 5 times 22.5 degree, this equal to 5 5 the 25, remaining 2, 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12, carry over 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 112.5 degree. So the required angles are 67.5 degree and 112.5 degree. Okay, students, now question number 7. In the given figure, find the values of angles x, y, and z if y equal to 4x and z equal to 3x. Now its solution. Here, sorry, y equal to 4x and z equal to 3x. Now in the figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 angles makes distant angles. So we can write 3x plus y plus z plus x equal to 180 degree, because being sum of parts of a straight angle, being sum of parts of a straight angle, or 2x plus x, that is 3x, value of y 4x, value of z, that is 3x, this equal to 180 degree, or 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 4x, 10x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 80 degree, 180 divided by 10, 80 degree. Then y equal to 4x, or y equal to 4 times 80 degree. Therefore equal to 18 for the 72 degree. Again z equal to 3x or z equal to 3 times L of x 18 degree. Therefore z equal to 18 3 is 54 degree. So x equal to 18 degree, y equal to 72 degree, and z equal to 54 degree. Okay students, now question number 8. In the given figure, this figure, if a plus b plus c equal to 295 degree, find the value of a, b, c and d. Now its solution here. A plus b plus c plus d equal to 360 degree. A, B, C, D. It makes complete turn or complete angle, that is 360 degree. So, because being total angles at a point, or you can say being complete turn or being complete angle, or here a plus b plus c equal to 295, that is given. So we can write its value. A plus b plus c 295 degree plus d equal to 360 degree, or b equal to 360 degree minus 295 degree. Therefore d equal to 10 minus 5, 5. Now remaining 5, 15 minus 9, 6. Now 2 minus 2, 0. So d equal to 65 degree. Now b and d are vertically opposite angles. So we can write b equal to d, because being vertically opposite angles, so therefore b equal to 65 degree, and a and b makes straight angle, so they are supplementary angles. So we can write a plus b equal to 180 degree. We can say, because being linear pair or supplementary angles, or a plus L of b is 65 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore a equal to 180 minus 65, that is 115 degree. Again C and A are vertically opposite angles, so we can write again C equal to A, because being vertically opposite angles, therefore C equal to 115 degree. So A equal to C equal to 115 degree, and B equal to D equal to 65 degree. Okay students, now question number 9. In the adjoining figure, this figure, if x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree, prove that x plus y equal to 135 degree. Now its solution. Here x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. To prove x plus y equal to 135 degree. Now in this figure, z and 135 are supplementary angles, so their sum is 180, or They are linear pair Zn 135. So we can start from here. Z plus 135 degree equal to 180 degree because being linear pair is given. Make equation 1. Therefore, Z equal to 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. Then putting the value of Z in equation 1, we get x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree, or x plus y, the value of z is 45, so 45 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x plus y equal to 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree. Hence, proved. Okay, students, we have completed this exercise 5.1a from Sangam Mathematics booklet. Okay, this much for today. Have a nice study. Have a nice time. See you soon.